Yeah, so first I've made a forever loop, and in that
Mhm.
I made a in the forever loop I've made a if a statement like if basically that means like if you're not touching the color like this background color I have made in the background, then I then like it say if up arrow press like when I press the up arrow on my keyboard, then uh like I will go forward. Then in down arrow it means like I will change my variables called speed by minus uh, 10 or 9 whatever, and then I made like up arrow and
Mhm.
down arrow again also like in the same way, and then I've also made when flat click um move move to the variable speed, move speed, and set speed to speed multiplied by 0.1,
Mhm.
and then I made a right arrow and a left arrow so that I can also like turn, and so that when I turn it's like turning to a different degree so that I can also move forward. Yeah.
Mhm. And what does it do? Can you run the
Like
program?
makes the car turn like yeah. Like see if I go forward then I can turn and then I can go forward again and then like all like that. Then I can turn do the all like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Great. Okay. I think